This tram terminates at Wolverhampton St George's. The next stop is Dudley Street, Guildford.
Yeah, just kind of push it into the red bag.